So this is Halawa House, and Dad, I think you and Shirley or anybody from the mainland would love staying here. It's located at the north part of Big Island. So let's take a look inside. Here's the screened-in porch so that you can enjoy the view from outside, but enjoy the coolness of being in a screened-in porch. Okay, we gotta leave our shoes here. And now here would be the kitchen and living room. Nice spacey accommodations. Full kitchen. Come on through to here, to the bedroom. Yeah, it's a bedroom, except, check it out, nice high ceilings. And your own bathroom with walk-in shower and access to the back patio where there's a soaking tub. There's your view. What's missing? Listen. No screaming kids. No loud resort noises. No little slice of paradise. Great rates. Nice people that own the property. And yes, I think you should try it out. Okay.